is storming. I know you're excited for that, Samantha. Okay, so we're going to do 7. This was the where we're moving it over the, like we were moving that like left or right. It was affecting our x. Now we're going to do one where it's affecting our y. So our first thing we're going to do is write down our problem, which was 2x minus 2. Ignore that right now. So the first thing we do is just look at it. What is it telling us to do? Well, it's telling us to go down 2. Since it's a negative 2 in the back, it's affecting the y. So we're going up or down. That negative is telling us to go down, so we're just going to go down. So our first point that we can press is 2 to the 0. Well, we know that anything to the 0 is 2 to the 0 is 1. So we know that when x is 0, it's 1. But remember, we're going down 2. So we're going 1, 2. So that is our first little dot. Then our next one is 2 to the first. 2 to the first gives us 2, but remember, so we have our first one, we're going up 2, but remember, we're going down 2. So 1, 2. Next one is 2 to the second, that gives us 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But then we're going to minus 2. 1, 2. That's going to be right here. We can keep going the entire way. 2 to the third is like 8, but I don't think my thing goes up that high. So we'll just do it right there. We can also do the negative. You just plug it in there, do your arithmetic, and then graph it. But because it is a negative 2 in the back, you know that your horizontal asymptote, or your y equals, is going to be negative 2. So your y equals is going to be whatever that back number is. If you don't have a back number, that means your A is 0. And that, if it's translated up or down, that's when you're going to get a different horizontal asymptotes, and that is what's going to move your graph up and down. So these are just moving them left to right, up and down. Then the next ones that we're going to do is flipping it over the x-axis or y-axis. But before I do that, I kind of want to show you how to do the math on the points, because we did learn to do that. Is this, again, like a little bit harder